Welcome back, my loves. From the title, we are doing a quick little double unboxing. If you follow me on Instagram at Decor and Designer, you will already know what one of these is, but I've been getting a ton of requests on just more information, my thoughts on a new bag from Celine, and then a surprise, and I would consider this an essential for me, a little surprise unboxing for you guys. I don't think this is on my wish list or ever has been, but something I definitely needed to add to my collection, and by definitely I mean I gave into impulse, but kind of talk through that, but let's go ahead and unbox.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good.
Okay, so first off, we have something from Celine, and I think by now the price increases have already happened on their website, and I would say decent $300 to maybe $400 increase on this bag in particular. But I've had my eye on this bag for so long, this line, and I'm babbling, so let's just go ahead and open it and talk through it. Came in a stunning Celine all white box, really great quality. Ow. And then I already took off all of the extra plastic, and the receipts are in the box, but it came in a really nice, really like silky dust bag, and it is none other than the Celine belt bag in black leather with in the nano size. Sorry, I spaced out for a second. So let me kind of take this off. This is actually really important, and make sure you guys keep this if you end up buying this bag. I think it helps keep the top handle shape if you end up storing it or want to travel with it. But yeah, this is the beautiful Celine belt bag in the size nano. Now there are a few different sizes. The smallest is pico, then it goes nano, micro, mini, and they used to have a small, and small, funny enough, is actually the largest size. And the differences in the bag are, I wouldn't say significant, but I would say there's a reason why I went with the nano size. I think originally I wanted the mini size, which is the largest one they sell today, but it does not fit a laptop, and I actually didn't like how wide it sat on my body. So I still kept thinking about this bag, wanting it, and then I went into the store and I looked at the different sizes. I could never tell the difference between the nano and the micro, and then I watched a few videos, and one of the biggest differences is the way it latches closed. So the micro is a little bit bigger, but it does not have what this has, which is a magnetic snap closure. So this actually, you tuck it in, and I will say it's a little difficult to catch all the time if there's nothing in it, but when there's something in the bag, it catches really easily. It's a strong magnet. Or a lot of people actually leave the bag not closed and have it zipped, so you can easily get in and out. But I will say, if the magnet is not closed, it doesn't like, the bag doesn't like pour everything open, and I have the zipper open. So interesting that there's different closures. The other bags from the micro size and up have like a hook closure where you have to get the button piece underneath something for it to hook and latch on. And I will say, trying it on in store, it was very, very difficult, and I just liked that this one was going to be a little bit more easy to close. And then the other about it was the strap length. So from pico, nano, and micro, they all have actually nano and pico are the only straps that are adjustable. When you go micro and mini, they have just one strap. It's not adjustable. It does not have like a belt buckle option. So I did not like how the micro sat on my body. It was too long. It was like below, like right above my like thigh area. I just didn't like how it hit. But this option for this bag, I think sits really nicely high up. And this is on its smallest setting. And then if I want to do crossbody, it's still right there. So just high level points in this bag. The adjustable strap was key. I do wish that it was just this length and not adjustable, but if it were any longer and not adjustable, I would not be able to use it. It would just bother me. And then I also love the magnetic closure. The inside of this bag is all black, and it's black like suede, and it smells really good. It smells brand new. And there's nothing in the interior of the bag. It is just an empty hole. So I do know that the other sizes, I think above, all have like zippers or pockets, and then this one does not. So that's okay. I'm not stressed out about it. I really just wanted to grab this bag before the price increase. And interestingly enough, I do not have a Celine store in my state, so I did not end up paying any sales tax on this bag. So that was actually an amazing win for me on this bag. And I never really thought I would go for the smaller options, but they hold so much. And I just figured, you know, I do a lot of work dinners, I travel a decent amount for work, and sometimes it's nice to just have a more quiet luxury option in a bag. I don't always want to take like my LV monogram bags with me. You never know where you're traveling to, you don't want to worry about it, and then I just don't want to like always scream designer when I'm going to a professional event. So that's not to say like I don't usually care what anyone thinks, but sometimes I just feel like dressing a little bit more quiet, and I think this is a great quality bag. And unless you really know Celine, and there's really only just that little Celine on the bottom, you don't know. And I just know that this bag, I've seen it on pre-loved sites, they still look stunning. It's going to stand the test of time. It's a great structured bag, and I'm excited to get some use out of it and provide like a real review for you guys. So I did bring some stuff to put in it, but first I wanted to open my other unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so next up is definitely a surprise unboxing. I had been meaning to add this to my collection. I find it essential for me for everyday life, and I actually didn't think I could get it anymore. So I put in a call to an online advisor and asked if they still made this, A, and if I could order it, B. It's not on the website anymore, which I don't know if that's just like from the time I was checking. I have not been looking for it for a very long time, but I just knew that I wanted to get it, add it to my collection, and make sure I could grab it before it was discontinued. There's no plans on discontinuing it. I just did not see it on the website, and I was worried I wouldn't get it. So it came in this little box. It actually, I think this is a shoe dust bag, but that's okay. And super random, but I actually got the Louis Vuitton agenda in the medium size in the monogram print. So this is actually still on the website, but in the Damier Ebene print. It's not available to order online in the Damier Ebene. It's just on the website. There's no other options. So I was actually really close to ordering the Damier Ebene, but I actually wanted to match my other agenda. So this is the Louis Vuitton agenda GM in the large size. This is also in the monogram print, and this is my most used item. I use this every single day. I live in it. It is the largest option that they have, and it is filled to the brim. I've done some videos on Instagram walking through my planner with you guys, how I organize everything, where I get all of my inserts, and happy to do a new one for you guys and also show you how I go ahead and fill and organize this one, since this one is brand new. I will say this one has been getting heavy, and I tend to just leave it in my office. I work from home, and I tend to just leave it there because I dread having to carry it around with me to meetings. If I travel, I will bring it, but I wanted an option that was a little bit easier to tote around and to carry. And a huge win for this item in this bag is that actually right into the Nano Celine belt bag. So when I'm running to meetings for work or if I'm traveling, it's great to have a version of my planner with me. Now that one I use every single day. It has my schedule built out day by day, and I'm actually planning on using this one as a monthly overview, and then also using it as like an on-the-go notebook for myself. I take a ton of notes. I'm one of those people that like has to write it down and then type it. So I really wanted this one. So the main difference is obviously the size, but it also has a bunch of card slots on the left side, and then a little like folder area on the other side, and it also has a pen holder. The agenda in the large has multiple pockets on the right side, and on the front side it does not have card slots, but it has also other like pockets that you can clip things onto. And let me tell you, I get my use out of this. I used to buy a planner every year, or every time I would fill it up or get sick of it, I would get a new planner. This has solved that for me. I just am able to pick the inserts I want, interchange them, make the perfect planner for myself. And I just wanted a lighter version that I could carry with me. So I don't know if this is going to be back on the website, but I can definitely share the model number info with you guys. It's on the European website still, which is how I was able to grab the model number and then ask the client advisor to order it for me. So it's still there, but I'm glad that I was still able to order it. I'm very curious as to why it's not on the US website, but I'm excited to do all of the extra planning and organization that I love to do with my bigger one and the smaller one. And you know what? Stationery, like school supply shopping, was my favorite time of the year, and so I still get that feeling when I'm building out my planner for the year, adding new inserts or pens. It is definitely my happy place, and it's so great to have like friends on Instagram that do this and have a hobby of it too, so we can like share, you know, advice or tips on stuff. So definitely stay tuned for another video on planners. I would love to do a comparison for you guys too, and what bags this fits into versus this one, and kind of walk through that planner organization process with you guys. But I definitely wanted to not only show you guys that the agenda fits in this bag, but I wanted to show you some other items that also fit in here as well, in case you were looking at sizes and wasn't sure, you know, like I wasn't sure like if the nano was gonna be better than micro. I do think the Pico is so cute, but it's just too small. Like I need to fit a decent amount of stuff in my everyday bag. So let me go grab some of the other items. Okay, so I grabbed a few things to show you as far as size in the Nano. So this is unzipped, and I have here a full-size zippy wallet. This is in the cream empreinte from Louis Vuitton. They do not make this color anymore. I actually had to buy this pre-loved, and it's just a really, really beautiful wallet. Let's try to get it in there. Yep, fits in perfectly. I also have a Celine sunglasses case with my actual eyeglasses in here, and that can go ahead and fit right in here perfectly. Still have a ton of space. It's black, I know you guys can't tell. I also have a business card holder. You guys know this is my holy grail SLG / wallet card holder. It is so good and so compact, but fits so many cards, and that can also fit in here. And then I also have the 6-ring key holder. Now my phone is charging, but I have the 12 Pro, fits in here really well. I actually have so much space in here right now. I could put another pair of sunglasses. I could put anything really. Say hand sanitizer. If I wanted to put a multi-pochette, I could fit one in here. And I will definitely do a way more in-depth review of this bag. I will definitely cover like how I would style it, different ways to wear it, like if it's a weekend bag versus a workday bag, and kind of talk through my thoughts on it from wearing it for a little bit. I have only just recently got it, so I don't have a ton of feedback for you guys yet. Drop some comments or questions that you guys have on this one. This one is not like a super popular bag right now, but I've always loved it. And sometimes you just, you know, you buy what you love. I always tell everyone who asks me, you know, what bag should I get? Like, buy what you love. And she's just gorgeous. This top handle is so nice too because it's sturdy, but it's flexible. And yeah, I can't wait to share more thoughts with you guys on it. Like I was saying before my brain just scrambled, was there's any specific questions you have on the Celine belt bag, or any questions around like why I went with this size or this color, happy to answer them on my next video. And if you want me to try to fit anything in here for you guys, anything specific, let me know. I will say the one downer is that it does not have feet, but from looking at this bag pre-loved on websites, I don't really notice much like wear and tear on the bottom. I think it's a testament to this type of leather and how strong it is. I do notice that like the handle can be bent a little bit, or the, I don't know what you guys call this, like the belt things, they can get messed up. I'm not super worried about it. I do think it's like a funny looking thing to have these little belt things in there. I don't know how you're supposed to have them. I just kind of like sit the bag down like that. Don't worry too much about it. But yeah, happy to style it for you guys, do mod shots, all of that, what fits, and do a little bit more of an in-depth review on this one and my thoughts. I mean, it's a great bag. It's a classic. And I'm just happy I got it before the price increase. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me today and unboxing these two items. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.